We are President John Dramani Mahama. And we ye Kelvin Taylor, ne papa your friend of Gabi Cowinseni Echo.
Abuza from Mamu Namakwaba at the Bagana and Sem TV so. But all this will be like video, no best subscribe to the channel, no turn on notifications. Next time. Videos of this nature about also submit to my cabinet. So watch your comment section. Maybe we from Mr. President and Major also TikTok or comment section. But be about we from Mr. President and Major also. You need dream say that should be the new patriotic party about power. Na ya bana Ghana for you na wato ko amamo we die e dey into Sudan say man we need that bia na de bia me ka sem bi say amanyasom ne yeye no so wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chiro pa the moment abe hold the public office and say who say you own it a responsibility, I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say Addo retirement nkofo bebree if you say a public office no move hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushami chankra, momi enko. Yenko ko video bimra. Na video no yeko heba we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary guy, not the perspective of Mr. President here. Momi enko message here.
We are President John Dramani Mahama. And we ye Kelvin Taylor, ne papa your friend of Gabi Cowinseni Echo, or hine no Ay3. Na ne boy Kelvin Taylor, Jimmy Fuasha woni bano oni. Na busia DNSC. Kelvin Taylor and was say, on TSC say, John Mahama eye incompetent tibo nkoso, and me anhwe comfort no patients. Ama ne doctors ne say nipa na eba na busunti. Omo entimi admit obi. Na John Mahama ni minister ekopese omo sacrifice the chief executive. Nasa doctors and so more cost strike. Na yenyan ntia say the king of Ashanti or Santehene edina no betum say mon kwadwuma na me no bekasa. Kwasiabo ya ne papa triko no say on tiase na muntie nkwasiasem a ebre bia yewura stress say ne nananom mra meboa ne yenye hospital a ebegie hiafo no kwasiasem a sa jimifo yi o ka kire Santehene tie no
2472 ntumi ntia MPP. Aha. O 2472 entumi hwe Kufuor ni MPP nim enkasa ntia omo enka nkyerem se mo bedi mi nkofo so ene me so no mfie nson muntumi emfa bi papa bi amba efie into 2472 and waje Kufuor MPP adwuma na oye and the 2472 adane eye illegal politician and underground se sia no technically 24 after his people have contributed their quota through taxes, no, 24 is basically indirectly extorting his own people. Yes, because if 24 isn't extorting, 24 will rather pressurize the government to build a hospital. So I see this Hill Convanoche hospital, no, 24 or 32 is extorting from Asante 4 because if you really want this to be done, it is not through 200 Ghana. It is through the amount of taxes Sabana J3 or huge amount to take care of Convanoche. Into today, because young person be can crash MPP, because when young person be catch MPP say onya shwa santimemu, and oba asa.
Okay, dear TNA, young come obi anti ase say wafo afofra kanaman enya bole gadwum. Ya hunu say sa Kelvin Taylor Jimmy Fuo we ya ne yere hu nyanya te say kanaman awoti Alexandra ho a wantimi mpie no. Ya hunu say deliberate attempt to attack the Ashanti Kingdom, but here is the case. Ya hunu say John Mahama eni na sa Gabi no ye Y0uth di kuro no a na fono eni ni triko no a ne kwase asie tiresia no tua ne kwase akonso no dia wo search idiot so stupid boy yarefo a woni ahyawo ni ba we no ya hunu say e deliberate now any day as a boy ebe come in asem na nye constructive criticism na obe attack Asante no hey Gabi wotwo no ye be som ni ya prosa wotwo no tiri ye ka kire woni John Mahama ya hunu say mo hyeda na yenso ye be hyeda na ye jimi a kire mu de tia ne say doctors so mo cost strike na say omo obuo e de ma Osantehene na yewura akasa a kire omo say munya strike na mo nkwa adwuma ye ne be kasa na say John Mahama ho nya akono they don't want to listen to the president because he is a liar or a pretender or a corrupt. John Mahama yeti bonkoso or ye weak na say doctors don't want to listen to me. What is the case of Osantehene? Yenti kroma na John Mahama eko kanto kwa boko a be frɛ Santehene ento asem se anye yewura na ye frɛ no na akwa we no ye hunu say e deliberate ye nim say John Mahama ene ne papa ti bonkoso no a na funu kutu sɛ de wanu ahuru so no ɛhyɛ n'akyi ɛna ne ba no edi nkwasiasɛm na yɛ make it clear ɔyɛ bɛrima ɔde ɔpɔ ɔmo mi di wɔn page ne so yɛn nyɛ ti America ne yɛn hwɛ who is who so ɔyɛ guy NDC for nkwasiafoɔ bi ɛna ɔmo tie no na ɔbuli wɔn na ɔnya maa no na wɔn fɛsi mene ni nyina na Washington no ɔyɛ bɛrima wɔte Alexandra ɔmo mi di wɔn page ne so ne yɛn hwɛ adeɛ yɛhuni sɛ deliberate next time we wɔn ɔbra ɔnyɛ obia yɛbɛ peke ne papa kwasiato no a ɔte ayɔdo hɔ na ne tiri ɛne ne hwa ne twɔ no ne ya posa no because ewia sentence kokɔ ɛwɔ bi enum na so ya ne yɛgyae ne ya tifita sɛ Kelvin tell us why is stronger ɔmo mi di wɔn page ne so now we will see who is who in America.
Oni amyeri ya pa ma cha munno enyamu enyema papa ehie omo ni ahwe program bi bi se ehie pa nkofo pepe we say na wo fanya de be bo forget it de be come na bo bi ate because e te wono ma the whole Ghana mo di nipa to more than 10 times we wo bi nipa ko gina no bi ye wie na se mu adodo de ba ya makati nka ho what ma say and no ba say me fa say the crowd ku de nkuo ya me de fa to ta ko like wono bo say ai wo to da onya bi it is a time we did do hanim na mo za na mo ye ni mu ade na bi ye pese e shebi ya be e se shebi e ti na lady asema na mo ka se mo ma ye bi wono the sentence ni go twa e to bi aba so aba bi Ghana no e fi se na ko call ayi na nke ba fi anko ate so wa pilo e de record the sentence e wo bi am mo bi o na bi o mo tim e so ne obi an fanti no fo ya chiri ade kwai de wo bi a few I'm telling you because we team ma be enjoy because I ma cat call you know kokofa fiat or my fiat those days fiat in one back 120,000 or so the my fiat I'm telling you your pa the one here kasa any so e na say and your kwanya ko adam and che bia the fees in court to be pay ba na bo sentence no and the judge you had no sentence no it one dey be nyame ma no man go feel straight to prison on cause when you see that this year so boni we appointment at boni o mutino we here the bill say mama me ni bege ya na mtia ni ya ko fie eh me kwakwada nya me kata so and so we na so kwa meda what ma say one thing check dem ko be kwada ade na gboni ti be ni patize oni ba me ba na me chew say na boni and na get you say mo ti wono say na kwese we di pada say na lankusa eti wo ti wono boni ben pan ye ya wo chelan kusa ya mo bi ben ye dia ya wo fisa ha chelan kusa wo twani pa bi aga mo ya me mo media house so na aka no gusa ni bia kono wetin ma say wo ni ba ni ya no gusa ho say ene da bai ene ye tuwe ene ti wa ka pian fatu ne ta je ni ebo no Kelvin ye start ya makwa brami Kelvin ye start ya makwa brami so ni minister mo jin cross
MPP for o kan se ma fi no mo hope o kan na nka etie wa
so ene da no si mu de bia ye kan ho asem oman we just say yenim oman ni issue ayewo ko ye hwe ne ma papa na adan kwaku for Dr. Laji Mahmood Bawumia ye de ma oman we a any 2024 elections eko no ma Dr. Bawumia e den na de kire Ghana fa se me ba we ni we na me ye ma mo na busia na ke ye nsem pata de yensa kan serious so in fact oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi presidency oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi say leaders are KBA the new patriotic party the leaders of the party KBA can borrow omodom another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, yetimi enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impoyen because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals in the person is intimate because of time. But those ones it we go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look at say we have some of the hospitals in fact equipping hospitals are all right but because of political tantrums and political gains me look at say here hospitals and they go sana no me na say it is a Kenyan who say na no me nyina be ya it is can kan dey wasa Butuu me say oh I mean say we say people for akonfo na mu akonfo ti ma sacrifice discard to what their hospitals na mo so mo ya akonfo akonfo ti ma facilitate me say on be fund free seniors mo so mo ya akonfo you say enye Ghana for dey bi Na fe na tables na 10 afi dem keke mu kakaka. Why are they shouting? Obi ankara no ntum ne nko no ho. Asofo no mo nko ma no ntum asofo no with the greatest of respect, omo nko ma no ntum ne nko nyina ye ho. Chief imam for nko ma no ntum ne nko nyina ye ho. Politicians nko ma no ntum ne nko nyina ye ho. Market women omo nko ma no ntum ne nko nyina ho. Obi ankara no ntum ne nko nyina ye ho. 2020 do they will know the way forward. Yeti kroma obi so ono ba ono the credit scoring system be ba mo so open konketenkete. Nanze bibini na kasa de se bi ye bibia yen ketenkete ya adwen ketenkete ye bibia ye bia invest square ye yen ketenkete. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. Adi asem kra ni. Obi ma credit scoring system also open konketenkete. Obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems, you know. Most open konketenkete. Is any one there? You people chose policy. You people chose music over policy. Na ne yete ne nyine ho papa na fe na mbusu akire me na wo ne wo si akire me se bi me na me ko ka kire radio ndama ni ma so o mema come to Butuu one ye wa ha digitalization ye start say ye mo se da bi digitalization en to kinki nti mo pe kinki sika nti amamu papa na ba o mo ma mo kinki amamu ade na mo kam ye wo ko mo ya e de radio ndama ni mama ko gina fese enkanfo mu gafo ka chom say oh gafo de oh na mo de onye kinki na mu hia digitalization bia e na gafo so kenye beto ba na ma bum 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 mo to ba ma kinki government a etimi
Sese die ko ye kra de menu now to me who letter bi a Y0uth for tro ye about council of state member Butuu region na me se fiam eh Remona Chapa ya hype ni say we ye can say Israel train
but the issue is true.
Okwe the letter now was say council of state member no ye former staff emanam one which is never true.
Onya juma order and onya juma order amanam one for the first time nam one I post.
Oh yes, nam one I post.
Yeah, no catch you be say dependent boy.
O sister asem na listen for the first time nam one and kwa pe baby akwakoda and nam one yes na che say was no kura dwiri ni say state institution we intelligence institution who need intel
yeka bro
problem ni nyina ni say
economy no kwa na eboa ye
problem ni nyina ni say papa or council of state member or company to good a year before grab good board beba no to me create good board alliances no to me to good to me to good et me good kwa manone anoni adwuma ko bia kwa pam say me supply good between June 2025 to June 2026 within 4 or 5 months we team supply gold no over 75%. Omo cost one as a maintain one ase ba wone nipa no ni business ena nipa na fa case dia bra wu Y0uth say osusi say nipa na sisi no Y0uth we invite directors and managers of the company mo buy who take your statement ama o grant o me bo mo koi wa court Y0uth na court o court no court will really dey tiao say this is a civil matter. This is not a criminal because Y0uth is a state institution. And you fight for the state and not individual. And this is a civil matter. Already know what's what fizzy on my account without authorization. And I say order from court. And as High Court really say the only unique case. What ferry akona koda afi the old defend na afi the was by I say any mokura mo da mempemu bium adwuma wura nankasa na mepenache no. We invite na wa my no issue document say we a fugitive. Jane. Thank you. Personal attack as if say Y0uth office one and they use personal agenda. And you're so sad.
No, Raymond Wankasa. Me Martin Yama me and Sabia. I don't want to talk about.
Na me see the member who know. What they very soon who recordings a BP. Very soon who recordings are a BP. And this state institution, sir. Oh, on Sano Huno, no crash, I'm sorry, I'm for NNC for my